In this video, we will learn the rest questions of exercise 6.1. So let's start with question number 7. So this question says that without adding them, we have to find the sum of these. Okay. So before proceeding in this type of question, first of all you need to understand that we have to find the addition or the sum of which type of numbers. Either it is a odd numbers, natural numbers, even numbers or what. Here you can see that the numbers that are given are odd natural numbers, and the sum of first n odd natural numbers, as we have learned, is n square. Okay, what is n? N is the total odd natural numbers. Clear? So suppose that in the first question we have to find sum from 1 to 9 and the odd natural numbers in between. So if we will see from 1 to 9, we have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Since if we will count all the odd natural numbers between 1 to 9, how many total numbers we get? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have given with 5 first odd natural numbers. Correct? So n will be equal to your 5. And hence we know according to the formula that sum of first n odd natural number is n square. So what we will do to find sum? Sum will be equal to 5 square. That will gives you 25, as you know the square of 5, right? Now 25 will be the sum of first 5 odd natural numbers. Now moving to part second, we have to find the sum of odd natural numbers from 1 to 19. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Basically it means that 19 is your 10th odd natural number, right? So here we have first 10 odd natural numbers, right? So let me write first 10 odd natural numbers we have here. Okay, so now if we need to find the sum of this, what will be the concept? We have used the concept of n square. That will be your 10 square. So it will be 100, as 10 square gives you 100. So in this way we will find the sum of first 10 odd natural numbers. I hope so you have understood what we need to do first. First of all, we have to use the concept of sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. And also before applying this concept, we have to check that the given sums are odd natural numbers or not. If they are not, so we can't use this concept, right? So it's just the beauty of squares and the concepts that on using the formula we have easily found the sum of this long numbers, the long odd natural numbers. And if we will find the sum of these odd natural numbers by the most common method, by doing addition, as we have learned in our junior classes, then it will take lots of time. So it is so easy to find the sum of odd natural numbers using this concept. Just you need to understand the concept behind every equations. Okay, so for more understanding of this type of equations, and if I say about any other equation, what you need to do is you have to do lots of practice. Okay, so I hope so you have understood this question and the concept behind this. Question number 8 have two parts. In first part, it is given that express 49 as a sum of 7 odd numbers, and in the second part, it is given express 121 as a sum of 11 odd numbers. So before proceeding further, we have to note that 49 is the square of 7, right? And if you will see, we also have to express 49 as 7 odd numbers. Like for 121, if you will find, so 121 is the square of 11, and we have to express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. This is the important note that you can do before proceeding the question. So this concepts and this thing point out the result that we can use to solve this question to the fact that sum of first n odd natural numbers is equals to n square. So using this, we will solve this question. We will express 49 as a sum of odd natural numbers. So moving to the first, sum of first 7 odd natural numbers. We will write that, and in the next case we will write sum of first 11 odd natural numbers. So in this we will write as sum of first 7 odd natural numbers is equals to 7 square, as it was n square and n is 7. So 7 square is equals to 49, and 49 will be equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Just you need to write 7 odd natural numbers, or I can say 7 odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. These are the first 7 odd natural numbers. Therefore, this is the way how we are going to express this 49 as a sum of 7 how to do question number 9. Question number 9 says that we need to find how many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers. Like how many numbers are between if we will do the square of first and second number. Clear? So this we need to do in this question. Before proceeding the question, it is very important to understand that which concept we are going to use here. As we have already learned about this concept, that how many numbers lie between any two squares. If you have not seen that video, please go through that video first and then come to this part. Now, for the better understanding, let's revise one more time. Now, suppose that you have two consecutive numbers n and n plus 1, and we need to find how many numbers lie between these squares. So, let's square them. Now, as we know, total number lie between these squares will be 2n, 2 times of the smaller number, right? And now let's see also that how this happens. So suppose that if we expand this square of n plus 1, then what will be your answer? A square plus 2ab, that is 2n plus b square. So this is the concept behind this. Now, if you will find the difference between n plus 1 whole square and n square, then what we will get? 2n plus 1. As n square, the negative, and n square positive will get cancelled. Clear? And hence the total number that lie between two consecutive squares will be 2n. One less than their difference. Right? Now suppose that let us understand it more clearly by taking one example. Let's take two consecutive squares 5 and 6. So now we need to find here that how many numbers lie between this. Clear? So what we will do, first of all, we will find the difference between both the numbers. So 6 square is 36 and 5 square is 25. So your answer is 11. Clear? And if you will observe that this 11 is equals to 2 times of the smaller number, that is 5. So if we will do 5 times 2, that is 10 only. So 10 numbers are there in between these two squares. 2n is 1 less than their difference. Clear? So this is the concept that we are going to use while solving this type of questions. So moving ahead, in the third part, we have 99 and 100. As you know, 99 and 100 both are consecutive numbers. So we need to find the numbers lie between these squares. So there are two methods. First of all, what you can do, you can find the difference of the squares of 100 and 99. Whatever will be your answer, one less than of that number will provide your final result. Or you can directly by the given concept multiply 2 with the smaller number, that is 99. So 99 times 2 will be your final result. So let's start doing this part. Since now you can see here that non-perfect square numbers between n square and n plus 1 whole square are 2n. This is the main concept that we will use in this question. Okay, so what we are going to find between the square of two consecutive numbers are non-perfect square. This concept only be used when we have two consecutive numbers. So n will be your 99 as this is smaller. So let's start doing part 3. Clear? In part 3 we have to find non-perfect square numbers between 99 and 100. So directly what we will do? Yes, we will just double the smaller number. Smaller number is 99 here. So 2 times of 99 will gives you 198. So 198 is your final result. Clear how to do this question? So this is the main concept behind this question. If you want to learn more about it, please go through the previous all videos and then start doing exercise. The concept must be clear before solving any questions. Okay? I hope so you have understood how to solve exercise 6. In next class we will learn more about it. Till then, take care and thank you.